How to add project timeline markers in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your timeline is visible. Timeline markers help you organize your edits and make it easier to navigate through important points in your video. To add a marker, move the playhead to the exact frame where you want the marker to appear. You can do this by dragging the playhead or by using the arrow keys for more precise placement. Next, press the M key on your keyboard to add a marker at that point. You will see a small colored marker appear on the timeline. By default, the marker will be blue, but you can change its color as well. If you want to add a note or label to the marker, double-click on the marker icon on the timeline. A small window will pop up where you can type your name, notes, and keywords, or even assign a different color to help differentiate markers. Markers are very useful for noting important edits, syncing points, or reminder for effects and transition. You can also jump between markers quickly by pressing Shift plus up arrow or Shift plus down arrow. To delete a marker, select it and press the delete key on the keyboard. Using timeline markers can save you a lot of time and keep your editing process smooth, especially on complex projects with many clips. And that's it. Now you know how to add project timeline markers in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.